Hey guys, welcome back to my MyMROmarts channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the engine water pump for Kubota. The part number is 15401-73030 and it can be used with the following models that you will see on your screen. Alright, let's go ahead and open this pump. Let's take a look, and here it is. This is the pump. And as you can see, it is a pretty standard looking water pump, but let's take a closer look. As you can see, it's got an intake on the bottom, and it also got an outlet on the top. And it's also got a power cord that's about 6 feet long. Here on the bottom, you can see the intake screen. It's a pretty standard design and it should do the job just fine. If you're interested in the engine water pump also, you can take a look at MyMROmarts.com to find what you need for your heavy equipment. Thanks for watching, see you next time!